I have a Marathon electric motor that is dual voltage. I want to go high voltage and running as my supply line 10 to 2 with ground. The wires that came out of the motor were purple, yellow, black, brown, orange, white, and red. The wiring diagram says to purple would be for line 1, yellow and black for line 2, brown for insulate, and orange, white, and red is insulate. There is green screw on the motor housing. I'm not sure what insulate means either.
How old is the system in question? And have you consulted an electrician yet?
Brand new. I bought it from Northern Tool. It is an exhaust fan CanArm.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes. I've installed the fan. Just need to wire it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I've run the wire, and I've installed the switch. I can install the breaker myself, too. Not a problem there. Just don't want to mess up. It is a 1/2 horsepower. On the motor it says it is Marathon electric, custom OP 1170 3060 PM. Will the reply with the answer be emailed to at?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question.
Okay, thanks, Mike. If you can write it for me, I can get it better and have something to refer to, so I don't rely on my memory. Thanks a lot, sir.
Connect as follows: purple to L1 yellow and black to L2 brown, capped and not used orange, white and red connected together. Ground wire terminated on green screw. One more thing. Swap red and black go change rotation.
The orange, white and red don't get connected to either one of my two hot lines coming from the 10 to 2. The ground from the supply 10 to 2 with ground. It is that ground you're referring that is connected to the green screw on the motor housing, right?
Correct. Internal connection. Ground on green screw.
Finally, Mike, do you think that the power source being the 10 to 2 running about 90 feet is okay for the 1/2 horsepower motor, or is the gauge too small to carry the load? And the breaker should be a 30 amp double pole, right?
Give me the nameplate rating info.
I'll have to go take another look at it. Be right back.
Standing by.
Can I add a photo for you to see? Did the photo come through by chance?
Nameplate average 3A at 95 feet. A number 14 wire would be fine. If you have a number 10 it's okay, but it needs a 15A breaker.
The double pole 38 breaker doing 220V is too much, right? I need double pole 15A breaker, correct?
Correct.
Thanks a lot, Mike. You've been awesome. Pleasure to visit. Thanks again, sir.
Anytime, you're welcome.
Sir. Wired it the way you recommended and it worked just fine, thanks a whole lot.
Very good, you're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.